Yo, yo.
因为咱们小朋友比较多。
Today, so if you know your letters, say it along with me. Okay, are you ready? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. What comes next? M. Good guess. N, O, P, Q, R, S. Mary, can you make the O sound? Yeah, very good. Very good job. So we are going to learn the letter O. All right. Good job. All right. There are 26 letters in the alphabet. 26. Hold on. Which? Okay, we are going to circle all the letters in O. Here we go. Let's circle all the O's. O says ah. Let's circle them like octopus. Our friend's an octopus. Okay, let's circle the O's, the letter O. Here's an O. Here's an O. Here's an O. Here's another O. O says ah. Yes, good. There's another O. And here's another one. And another O. There are many O's. That's a P. So we just want the O's. Just the O's. The O's say ah. All right. Now we're going to match. We're going to write the letter O. So we're going to match the capital O's and the lowercase O's. Good job. Good job. So when we draw the letter O, we start at the top and we go all the way around to the top. So we start at the top and we go all the way down, around and up. Up, down, around and up. Good job. Good job, Karina. Good job. Up, around and up. Good job, Karina. Good. Good job. Look at all those O's. What does O say? What does it say? Ah. Good. Look at those O's. Good job. Very good. These are capital O's. Big O's. Let's make some lowercase O's. Lowercase O's. Little O's. Good. Look at those O's. Good job. Let's make the little O's.
Wow.
Huh? Good job. Look at all those little O's.
This one.
Another O. job. Look at those O's. Good job. Okay. Now, we're going to go right here. Let's match our capital O's. Let's go capital O to little o. Capital O to little o. Can you draw over my line? Can you trace the capital O to the little o? Ah. Capital to little. Good. Good job. Capital to little. Capital to lowercase. Good job. All right. We're going to read a book with our letter O in it. Let's read our book.
我画 O。
Our book is called Hot Dog. Hot